Hello! Na-miss ko kayong lahat! Talaga namang, everyone is excited dahil nagsimula na ang teleserye ni Alden Richards and Maine Mendoza, ang Destined to be Yours. It's been a long while because I concentrated on pageants for the last 3 months. After nung aking isang diskarte doon sa kanilang first Destined to be Yours teaser last December, ay muli na naman akong naloka-loka. I was really very preoccupied with Miss Universe and my Facebook page. Yes, I have. Please like my page, Robatology. Kita-kits tayo dyan. Pwes pag natin patagalin dahil talaga namang inabangan ang pilot episode ng Destined to be Yours. Ang sarap din kasi, Destined to be Yours. Lalo pag medyo binritish mo ng Destined to be Yours. Let's go!
Destiny. How romantic para isipin natin na sa bawat araw, dinadala tayo ng universe tungo sa isang taong para sa atin. Yung the one. Naniniwala tayo na ang tadhana ang may pakana ng lahat. Miss Chances, nag-cruise na pala ang landas nyo pero wala kang kamalay-malay. Kasi nga sabi ng universe, huwag muna. Pero minsan, may mga bagay talagang nagtutugma. Destiny nga ba? Mangyayari ang dapat mangyari. Kahit maraming hadlang, kahit maraming humaharang.
May mga hadlang, palaging may paraan, hindi titigil hanggang ika'y maging aking tadhana.
Isang kanta,
Ika'y
isang ngiti,
aking ilalap,
basta nalalaman na lang ng puso mo.
layuman, at may mga hadlang, palaging may paraan, hindi titigil hanggang.
Pikit mata, buntong hininga. Hindi ka makapaniwala. Bahala na. Siya na nga ba?
Tadhana.
Siyempre hindi. Dahil isang malaking ka-edyosan lang naman yung destiny na yan. Alam nyo kasi, ang paniniwala sa soulmate, parang pagtaya lang yan sa loto. Tataya ka, aasa, tapos sa huli, mabibigo ka lang naman. Parang pag-ibig lang. Sa pag-ibig naman, magmamahal ka, tapos iisipin mo na siya na nga yung the one, tapos sa huli, maiwan ka lang din mag-isa. Alam mo namang walang pag-asa o kaya ang liit-liit ng tsansa pero patuloy mo pa rin ibinibigay lahat ng natitira sa'yo. Minsan 20 pesos, madalas puso mo. Kaya kung ako sa'yo, ibulsa mo na lang yung 20 pesos mo o kaya ipambili mo ng taho. Nabusog ka pa. At ako po ang inyong DJ Sunshine. At ito
Ang sarap makasalubong ni Maine yung
Day.
tapos sa bunutan mo. Hayop ka.
Uy,
As in, super close. Diba ganun naman ang magkakaibigan. Ang sarap maging kaibigan ni Maine, siguro.
DJ
Sa totoong
Sunshine,
buhay.
tanong lang, na-inlove ka na ba? Hello? Hello, DJ Sunshine, andiyan ka pa po ba?
And she's one of those friends sa tipong gusto mo talagang awayin kasi mas
Once upon a time,
parang ang ganda-ganda ng mga eksena mangyayari kapag kaaway mo siya.
parati kasi akong
Yung
kinukwento ng
katampuhan mo,
lolo
di ba?
ko tungkol sa lola ko kahit wala na siya.
Bira yun, ha?
Kasi,
Gusto mo yung friend mo na lagi mong katampuhan because you would like her more.
Tugtog siya ng love song sa Rancho Pelangi para sa kanya. At ako pa nga yung assistant niya eh.
Alright, so there you have it. Finally, we have seen Aldab sa prime time. And definitely the following episodes would be more exciting. This one is very appealing. You know, it's very commercial. It's full of colors, and that really satisfies me because I love colors. And the supporting cast, especially Gardo Versosa and Janice Belen, play it wholeheartedly but very lightly, you know? Light in the sense that you don't see much of acting because what they do look very natural, as if hindi sila maarte. And it's very easy to appreciate that kind of acting, especially sa isang maarting tulad ko. And nakakatuwa si May. That makes her different from the other stars because she could really hit it. You know, the comic timing is there, the punchlines is there, the correct expressions is there. You know, she could handle herself very well in a Maricel Soriano-ish world. She's very Maricel, but she is at the same time, you know, she doesn't come out as a comedian. She still comes off as a beautiful, gorgeous girl amidst those comic punches that she delivers very well. And I wouldn't be surprised if it becomes a hit because it gets your attention. You know, the Destiny's... what's the name of the Destiny's Child? Wait. I forgot. Tandaan. Ayun. Destiny's Child, you know, Beyonce. Destiny's Promise. So malaking gagampan ng papel nito at ito ay magiging isang iconic figure, malay natin, in the future. Alden is his usual self, debonair, so perfectly handsome. And she plays it effortlessly. You know, she's just basically a good actor. Siya yung lalaking tipong pag kung ikaw yung makakasabay niya sa tren at tititigan ka niya, ay babanggain mo na. Breast kung breast. Yeah, dibdib kung dibdib. Kung pwede mo na magmaneho ng tren, ipreno-preno mo para mapapaganon-ganon ka. And sa first episode pa lang, alam mo na agad na mayroong ilang mga kadramahan mangyayari dito. I would go into details next time. I would critique this first episode next time. Let's just celebrate this first day first and concentrate on the constructive criticism, on the critical side next time. Pardon me kung may masabi akong hindi masyadong cute sa pandinig ng tenga ng Aldab Nation, pero alam ko naman mahal ninyo ako, and that's really me. I say what I feel. And that's the trademark of this channel. So that's it. Opening pa lang ay talaga namang sagapak. It is, and it gives so much excitement to those people who are truly in love. And for those people as well who haven't found their soulmate yet. Do you believe in soulmate? Well, so, alright. So thank you very much for watching. This is your friend Robato saying arigato gozaimasu. And I am destined to be yours. Naman! Oh!